Comes to Libra's strengths, we're talking about them being social, fair-minded, cooperative, diplomatic, gracious, and even adaptable. Their weaknesses, however, they can be very indecisive. They would carry a friggin' grudge. They can avoid confrontations and even have self-pity. Libra is all about balance and fairness. They would have an issue with you if you do not live up to that. They have the taste in the finer things in life and they would indulge it as much as they can. They have the skill to simmer down arguments. And if they know how to use it, it can benefit not only them, but the people who are in that argument too. They have this cool aura about them. They're very calculating but charming. They can charm anyone if they want to. This, however, can lead to fear of offending someone, so they will choose the right words and right actions in order to please that person. This, however, can have Libras be easily persuaded by others. Most of the time, they can lack introspectiveness. They are not the type to handle massive pressure and sometimes can be irresponsible. However, they are great lovers and have great aesthetic taste in things. I hope that you guys enjoy this quick bada bing bada boom two boom boom type style of content. If so, I have the other zodiac signs in the exact same format, so do check it out. If you want to see something that's a little bit more in depth, I have a whole playlist describing each of the zodiac signs. Check that out too if you want. But until next time, matane.